Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to cook lunch because we have constructions ongoing and I'm going to cook for them. Diba? So I'm gonna share you my ingredients. So we are going to cook chicken ginataang manok or chicken with milk and with papaya on it. So this is my ingredients, of course, garlic and also papaya, like what I mentioned, and also chicken. It's a 1 kilo of chicken cut into pieces, so it goes like this. And I also have this for spices. I have green long pepper and some small peppers, which is, we call that siling labuyo. The smaller, the hotter. So that's the one. And also I am also going to add some coconut milk. This is the second press, and the first press is more thicker than the second one. So let's start it. So I just have the parts of the chicken. As you can see, this is all parts, like next to the butt of the chicken. And I'm going to use this as an oil. Like that. It's better to use that. But I also add some cooking oil with it. A little bit of cooking oil with it. And also that part's giving more oil. So it's good, right? Saving more oil. And it's more healthier, I think. So I will let it brown before I'm going to put the garlic. So we're back now. As you can see, it's all brown. The chicken skin is all brown now, and it gives too much oil. So I'm going to put the garlic now. I love the smell of the garlic. Smells so good. So we just make it brown also. We just wait until the garlic is brown. So the garlic is already brown, so we are going to add the chicken right here. It's a lot of chicken, right? Oops, we just leave that for about 5 minutes. Diba? Just cover it and leave for about 5 minutes. There we go. And now we're going to add papaya. And just mix it again. And leave it for another 5 minutes. 5 minutes. Okay. 5 minutes is done. So we are going to add the second coconut milk, which is the second press of the coconut. So we'll add it here. And I forgot to tell you that I'm going to add chicken cubes because it's added the flavor of the chicken. So I'm gonna add one of this. And I just wait when it's boiling. When it's boiling, I'm going to add the other coconut milk. So, see you. See you.
I feel like
Here we go. It's already boiling. I already smell it. And now we're going to add the first press of coconut. And also the spices. Let's add the spices. Of course, a little bit of salt. Ano ba yung little bit? A little bit of salt. Right. When it's boiling, you need to do like this. So, it's more thickened this way. So, that's the secret of making samgata or cooking with coconut milk. So, you need to do this until it's done. Diba? Like this. Just try to do this. Okay. See you when it's done. Wala pa?
yun na.
Okay, here we go, guys. I think it's already cooked. And as you can see, the soup is so thick because I never stop doing like this. Diba? So, let's try. While it's hot. And it's so hot, I think. Oh. It's yummy, tasty, and a little bit of spicy. O, diba? Kain na tayo. And let's add Coca-Cola on our lunch. Diba? Oops, ang sarap. Okay. This is our pineapple jar. Pineapple jar with glass. Oh, diba? It's so cute. So, let's give a try for this. Diba? Let's eat and let's try. This papaya is good. It's kind of spicy for me. And some chicken. Yes, it's really, really good. And that's all about my vlog for today. And thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye.